Hi guys, it's Keisha and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to try out temporary hair dye. So I've been wanting to dye my hair for a while, but I'm afraid of the possible damage and the extra maintenance. So I decided to try out temporary hair color spray. So if you're interested in seeing how that turns out, stay tuned. Okay, so today I'll be using High Beam's Intense Temporary Spray on Hair Color. So I bought two. This one's an auburn color, and then I also have one in copper, and they look kind of similar, so I don't know, I might try them both out just to see which one I like better. So I think I'm going to start on the ends. I don't know if I want to spray the whole head. I guess we'll see as it goes. So all right, I'm going to give it a try. Read the back. Our High Beam's Intense Spray on Hair Color is a salon quality high concentrated formula which can be used to cover gray roots or add pizzazz to any hairstyle. In addition, it's the perfect tool for adding subtle color highlights or for making a bold statement. High Beam Intense washes away easily with just one shampooing with no risk or damaging your hair color. Get ready to turn on the creativity with High Beam's Intense Spray on Hair Color. Okay, so I'm going to shake it, hold it, it says 10 inches away from your hair, and spray in short bursts. Okay. Let's try. This is copper. All right. That don't look too bad. This so far. Oh yeah, and wear a shirt that you don't care about getting stuff on. So let me hold this up. Make sure I'm not getting the door. Okay. All right, this is the copper. Let's just to see what the auburn looks like. It looks the same. Smells kind of good and kind of like hairspray. All right, let me see. I don't know which one I should keep. I guess I'll use the copper. Feels kind of crunchy a little bit, not that bad though. Trying to get it to look more even. It looks better on camera. Try some more of this auburn. Okay, so let me talk a little bit about the pros and cons that I learned after making the video. So the pro, I would say, is that it turned out very nice. I really like the color. I think it's a good thing to use if you want to test out a color before jumping into it. So if I ever wanted to dye my hair, I probably would use a copper or auburn color. Another pro is that the cans were cheap. They were just like less than $10 a can that I got on Amazon. So I think that's a good pro if you want to just try something out and not pay a lot of money. The cons, I would say the number one con was that the color did bleed throughout the week. I think I kept this in my hair for the 5 days, so a full work week, and it started to fade each day, but it was still coming off on my clothes. So that is a pretty big con. I understand it's temporary color, so of course there's going to be some bleeding, but if you don't want to mess up your clothes, then, I mean, I wouldn't say it was permanently messed up, because once I washed my clothes, they were fine, but it's just the bleeding just isn't ideal. Another con I would say is when I had to spray the color on, it seemed like it took me a while, and I sprayed a lot just trying to get the look that I wanted to get, and the smell of it was getting to me, so that's a con too if you're not really big into the chemical smell. It didn't smell as much after, but during it was just kind of like, okay, this stinks. But those are my pros and cons. So here I just wanted to try some different hairstyles with my new hair color. So right here I decided to do like a top knot look. And then here's just me doing like a quick French braid down the back. So some tips that I would say, maybe do this outside, because I did it in the bathroom and I don't think it was that much of a problem, but after a while the smell of the spray was getting to me a little bit, so I had to turn my fan on. And it also says to avoid inhalation of the spray, so just to get, some more air going, circulate, maybe do it with the fan on, do it outside, something just so you don't get, a little irritated from the spray. But besides that, I think it's a great idea for someone who wants to switch it up and doesn't want to commit to hair dye. So you can try all different types of colors. I've never dyed my hair before, so it's interesting to see myself with a different hair color, even though I just did the ends, but I kind of like it. So I would buy this again. I would buy different colors. It's just something fun to do. So if you all are interested in knowing which one I bought, I will put that down in the description below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And just like always, I'll see you guys in the next video.